Welcome to Review Lab. The best Ram 2500 headlights is probably one of the most crucial upgrades you can make to your truck, especially if you frequently drive at night or in adverse weather conditions, as they not only enhance your visibility but also significantly improve the overall aesthetic appeal of your vehicle, ensuring you can navigate safely and stylishly. Number 5. Dodge Ram Headlight Assembly Chrome Housing. Introducing a headlight assembly designed to perfectly fit your Dodge Ram from 2010 to 2018. It features a sleek chrome housing and amber reflector for a refreshed appearance. Engineered for 100% OE fitment, these headlights are made by an ISO-certified manufacturer. They offer 200% brighter illumination with a UV-coated, high-transmittance lens for crystal-clear vision. Upgrading your vehicle's lighting has never been easier. This assembly is a plug-and-play style, meaning no modifications are needed for a straightforward installation. Drive with confidence in any weather condition. These headlights are IP65 certified and feature a watertight seal and heavy-duty housing, ensuring safe driving through rain or snow. Crafted with high-quality materials that exceed OEM standards, these lights are built for durability. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our lifetime service guarantee for any questions you may have. What we like. This option offers a perfect fit, ensuring a seamless installation process. It provides significantly enhanced brightness for better visibility. If you prioritize a straightforward installation and superior illumination for all weather conditions, this is the choice for you. What people say. They fit perfectly and were a major upgrade from what we had before. The quality on these are great and have made a world of difference in the visibility. Super clear lenses, well made, and look just like the stock ones. Bulbs are bright. Fit awesome. Could have fooled me that they were OEM. Came with all the bulbs in the new headlights also. Simply plug and play. Number 4. AKKON Projector and Bar LED Black Housing Headlights for Dodge Ram. Upgrade your 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, or 3500 with these new projector and bar LED headlights. They offer a sleek black housing for a modern look. Experience a better light pattern compared to traditional headlights. The new trend projector design ensures superior illumination on the road ahead. Featuring ultra-bright SMD LED chips, the LED halos are crafted with the best materials. They provide precise and brilliant illumination. Upgrade your turn signals with this unique Switchback LED feature. They function as white running lights and switch to bright amber when you signal a turn. This set includes both the left, driver side, and right, passenger side, headlights. It's a complete lighting solution for your truck. While installation is straightforward, we highly recommend professional installation to ensure proper fitment and function. Please note compatibility details before purchase. What we like. Featuring a modern projector design with striking LED halos, this set offers a distinct visual upgrade. The unique switchback turn signal adds a dynamic touch. If you're looking to give your truck a custom, high-tech look with advanced lighting features, this is an excellent option. What people say. The headlights are a direct fit and plug-and-play, making installation easy. The brightness of the headlights is significantly improved compared to the stock ones, providing better visibility at night. The design of the headlights gives the truck a modern and aggressive look. Number 3. AmeriLite Black Replacement Headlights for Dodge Ram. Upgrade your Dodge Ram with these sleek black replacement headlights from AmeriLite. Designed for a perfect fit, they enhance both the look and safety of your truck. These headlights are specifically designed for 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 models. Please ensure your truck is not a factory projector headlight trim. Drive with confidence knowing these headlights meet or exceed all US and Canadian safety standards. They are DOT and SAE approved for your peace of mind. Enjoy a hassle-free installation process. As a direct OEM replacement, no modifications are needed, making it an easy upgrade for your vehicle. This aftermarket set includes both the driver's side and passenger's side headlights. You get a complete pair for a uniform look on your truck. Manufactured in Taiwan with premium materials and subjected to strict quality control standards, these headlights are built to last. What we like. This replacement set includes a stylish LED bar for a modern aesthetic and is fully DOT and SAE approved for safety. It's designed for a direct, easy installation. If you want a blend of modern style, guaranteed safety compliance, and a hassle-free upgrade, consider this set. What people say. Metal adjustment screw in the factory location. AmeriLite tube can be wired independent of the parking lights. The housings were exact fit replicas of OEM. Housings seem to be sealed very well. Number 2. Autosaver 88 Dodge Ram Headlight Assembly. Introducing the Autosaver 88 Headlight Assembly, designed to enhance the appearance of your Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, or 3500. This chrome housing with integrated daytime running lamps offers a sleek, modern upgrade. Specifically engineered for 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500 and 2010 to 2018 Dodge Ram 2500 3500 models with factory halogen headlights. It also fits the 2019 to 2022 Ram 1500 Classic Quad models, ensuring a precise fit for your vehicle. Experience brighter illumination with metallic parabolic reflectors that create a broader, smoother beam. The built-in safety reflectors ensure you are easily seen by oncoming traffic, enhancing your nighttime driving safety. These headlights are fully sealed and waterproof, featuring one-way vents to prevent moisture buildup. The impact-resistant polycarbonate lens and tough housing are designed to withstand shocks and vibrations for long-lasting durability. While professional installation is recommended, this assembly includes both the driver and passenger side headlights. Enjoy a refreshed look and improved performance for your truck. What we like. Equipped with integrated daytime running lamps, this assembly enhances your vehicle's visibility during the day. It also boasts brighter lighting output and robust impact resistance. For drivers who want to improve both daytime and nighttime visibility and need durable lights for tough conditions, this is a solid pick. What people say. So nice and look just like when truck was new. Old ones were so dull and didn't illuminate the road much. These look just like the OEM lights, especially the back side where they have to match up in order to get good fitment. Adjusting the aim points of the lights is easy as long as you have the proper length Torx or 7mm socket, but there are YouTube videos that outline it well. Number 1. AmeriLite Switchback LED Projector Headlights for Dodge Ram. Upgrade your Dodge Ram with these premium projector headlights from AmeriLite. Designed for seamless integration, they offer a sleek, modern look. These headlights are engineered for 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 models, including classic body styles after 2019. They fit both OEM projector and non-projector configurations. Drive with confidence knowing these headlights meet or exceed all US and Canadian safety standards. They are DOT and SAE certified for your peace of mind. Enjoy a hassle-free upgrade. These are direct OEM replacements, meaning no modifications are needed for installation. Just swap them out and go. This aftermarket set includes both the driver's side and passenger's side assemblies. You get everything needed for a full front-end lighting transformation. Manufactured in Taiwan with premium materials and subjected to strict quality control, these headlights are built to last. Experience superior performance and durability. What we like. This option features projector headlights with switchback LED technology, offering a sleek look and advanced functionality. Crucially, it's designed to fit both OEM projector and non-projector models. If you have a factory projector setup or are unsure, and desire a modern, high-performance lighting upgrade, this is a versatile choice. What people say. The headlights are a direct fit for the 2012 Ram 2500 and require no modifications. The beam pattern is clear and well-defined, providing excellent visibility at night. The headlights are made with durable materials that are resistant to cracking and fading. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.